Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube tech channel. My topic name what is covalent bond? So today topic is started. It is to be noted that only valential electrons take part in this type of bonding, while other electrons are not involved in such type of reaction. Heat is usually given out. The compounds found formed due to this type of bonding are called covalent bonding. Why does sodium form a chemical bond with chlorine? Why does sodium lose an electron and attains plus one charge? How do atoms follow octet rule? Which electrons are involved in chemical bonding? Why does group 1 elements prefer to combine with group 17 elements? Why chlorine can accept only one electron? The elements of group 13 to group 17 when allowed to react with each other, they form a chemical bond by mutual sharing of their valential electrons. This type of bond, which is formed due to mutual sharing of electrons, is called covalent bond. The energy chains during the covalent bond formation are of considerable value. When two atoms approach each other, attractive forces develop between electrons of one atom and nucleus of the other atoms. Simultaneously, repulsive force between electrons of the two atoms as well as between their nuclei are also created. When the attractive forces dominate due to decrease in distance between those two atoms, a chemical bond is formed between them. The formation of hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen, and oxygen gases are few examples of the types of bonding. As described above, the covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing electrons between two atoms. The electrons that pair up from a chemical bond is called bond pair electrons. Depending upon the number of bond pairs, chemical bond is classified into following three types. Single covalent bond, when one electron is contributed by each bonded atom. One bond pair is formed and it forms a single covalent bond. When while drawing the structure of molecules, the single bond pair is indicated by a line between those two atoms. For examples of molecules with single covalent bond are hydrogen H2 chlorine, hydraulic HCl, and methane CH4. When each bonded atom contributes two electrons, two bond pairs are shared and a double covalent bond is formed. These bond pairs are indicated as double between those atoms in the surface of such molecules. The molecules like O2 gas and ethane C2H4 show such type of double covalent bond. Triple covalent bond, when each bonded atom contributes